Hi there. Today I will be guiding you through how to clone voice with AI for free. After watching this video, you will be able to clone your voice with the help of AI without purchasing any plan. So, let's try it out. The first thing is in the Google search bar. Simply search for UberDuck. Once you will search for it, on the top you will see this website called UberDuck. Click on it and get access of it. And this one is the first interface that you will see where it will ask to sign in or log in your account. Because my account data is already saved, so here you can see the icon go to app, but if your account data is not saved, then here you will see the icon of log in. And you can log in or can create your account with the help of Google or Facebook or any other allow by Uber. So I will hit go to app, and here it's saying choose a plan that's right for you. Below you will see some plans, but if you don't want any of these, scroll down and tap on the option I don't need premium feature. It will ask some questions, so I'll skip everything. And here is the interface of Uber, but if you don't see this one, then click on the option Apps, then you will see this page. Now you will see some options of text-to-speech, instant voice cloning, sound generation, like we want to clone our voice, so that's why I'll click on the option Instant Voice Cloning. Here I can write my voice name, and just for example, I will write after it. Here is the description. If you don't know how to write the right description, then use any AI like GPT or Gemini. Here you will see two options: upload your voice file or record your voice. If you have a recorded file in your computer, then click on the option upload your file and upload your file. But I will record my own voice here, so therefore I will click on it. As you can see, my voice has been recorded. Click on option Save and Continue, and now it's generating my voice sample, and my voice sample has been created. But I can't generate too much voice with this clone. Now if I click on the options Use Text-to-Speech, here I can generate voiceover with the help of my own clone, and that's it.